All right, so today you guys are going to be looking at 2.3, the beginnings of agriculture in your book. So I have a Nearpod sort of module for you guys to do. So it's going to start with a slide. I'm just going to show you the preview version of it. And then it's going to ask you to watch a video, okay, and answer the question on the next slide. So you're going to watch this History Channel video. It's going to have an open-ended question. So it's going to be about inferences. We talk about inferences. It's going to say, make an inference. What types of tools would have been useful during this time period? Explain your answers. So to get full credit, I need to have a well thought out answer, like, what types of tools. So give me maybe a couple different types of tools that would have been useful during this time period, and give me your explanation of why those would have been useful. Let's see. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to read along to the video. I'm going to read the section for you. So go through that. Remember, I can see how much you participate in this. So um, if you skip these things, your participation will be less. Okay, so in order to get full credit, you have to read through the whole section. Follow along in your book. I'm going to have the PDF on the video, but to me it's easier just to read along with the book, but it's up to you. But watch the video because I'm going to talk about some other things in the section. Okay, so read that, and then there's going to be a little vocab word matching. So yes, you do have to do that. So a lot of these are the vocab words from the section, and so we'll see how you do on there. And so you got to match them. You got to kind of click on them and then match them. Like if you click on, you know, agriculture, which of these goes with agriculture? So you click and then you click on the next one, and it'll tell you if you're right or not. And then there's one more open-ended question. So it's going to ask you to summarize the section in 3 to 4 sentences. Be sure to include the words Neolithic era, domestication, and agriculture. So I'm going to read your summary. So try to summarize what was the section about. Use those 3 words. Okay, but make sure I'm also going to be looking at your sentence structure. Are you writing one big run on sentence? Are you stopping? Are you using good capitalization, punctuation? Does it make sense? Does it flow reasonably well? Okay, so write a quick summary for the section. And then finally, there's a little game here. Hopefully it works. It's called Time to Climb. So I think I don't see it from my end, but it's going to ask you questions here, and then I think what's going to happen is you get to climb up this mountain. You get to kind of see where you are in the class compared to everybody else. So see if you answer the questions right. Okay. So that's going to be what you're going to be doing in social studies today. So that should keep you busy, and I'll be here to answer questions.